Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a full facial massage and lymphatic drainage using a product I've been gifted from L&L Skin, and this is the Mami. Now I have been using this for the last 2 months and I've got to say I really love it. So I thought today was a day to share with you how I use it. To actually charge, and also it comes in a cradle here. It's charging cradle, small and nifty and easy. Now you can apply a product before using this, or you can use it after apply the products, but I'm going to use my trusted facial oil here, and this is a one from Trilogy. I just love it. It's organic, it's a rosehip oil, and I'm applying it to my face and also the neck area. So with the L&L Skin Mami, it comes with 3 different settings, and they all last for 3 minutes each. And you can fast forward it if you like, if you just want it for one setting for 2 minutes, say, you can just press the little button here. But we're going to go through the whole shebang basically and do the 9 minutes with it. So we'll just gently press. And so as you can see, it has a nice, and if you can hear, a lovely vibrational massage. So this is the normal. So we're starting from our collarbone, working our way up, and let's start on the neck area, heading towards the chin and then also the jawline. I'm placing the hand as an anchor, and this is actually really relaxing because it's a nice, almost as I say, massage. And then under the jawline, where we have plenty of lymph nodes towards the ears. And whatever product you've placed onto your skin, using this gadget is actually really going to penetrate in even better and deeper. And then we're going to work on the lower part of the face here. As you can see, it does have a really nice shape to it, so it really contours well with the facial area. And then under the cheekbone, and then on the other side. I almost feel when I'm doing this like it's like a 9 minutes of meditation in the day without any distractions. And then by the eye, and I like to hold this very lightly, feather light touch by the eye, and I like to just place it where the bone is and then towards the temples, and then on the other side, come all the way along very lightly. This will also help with any puffiness of the eyes because we're removing toxins and waste within the lymph. And then the forehead area. Working from the eyebrow towards the hairline. So I like to use this as a nice delicate touch because I feel like it's almost like a gua sha in a way. It's just moving toxins and waste. So pushing everything out to the side. Coming back up. So now it's just gone onto the next mode, which is the cool mode, and this temperature is between 6 to 10 centigrade, so it's nice and cooling to the skin. So I'm now starting again from the collarbone along the neck towards the jawline. And this is, I like to work this quite slow and mindful. Now with the cooling, it actually really does help, particularly if your skin is quite tired and quite fatigued. You'll find with the blue, this will really help with that on the cool mode. Also, if you have any sort of dark circles around the eyes, it's a really good one for the eyes. So just work our way along, lower part of the face, towards the ears. And I've got to say, I've been using L&L gadgets now, their products for the last couple of years, and I do actually rate them as a company, and I love their products, their face masks, and I have their gua sha, another video on that. I might actually put that in at the end. Again, it's another great product. And what I'll do is I will leave a link in the description box down below with a discount code if you're interested. I'm working all the way along the forehead here, and then just coming outwards now, helping reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. And then if you have a bit more time, again, great for just under those eyes where you get some darkness in this area. So this one helps with fatigued skin, also closes some of those pores as well on a cooling motion. Now, as you can see, it's now gone onto the red. Now the red is really good for helping with stimulating blood flow and circulation, and also reducing those fine lines and wrinkles as well. So again, I'm starting from the collarbone, working very lightly along the neck area, and then the jawline. I like to use my hand as an anchor quite often. So now the chin all the way along. Now the temperature on this is definitely higher, and I think it goes up to a maximum of 40 centigrade. And you just want to keep moving it along. You don't want it to stay in the same area. And I don't like to go any further than the bone under the eyes here. And then on the other side. As I said before, it does have all these three nodes do have a 3-minute timer, but if you find that's too much, you can just press the button to make it less. All the way along, and then in an upwards motion, working vertically against those pesky lines and wrinkles on the forehead. And it's working any other extra areas. Now it's about to finish its 3 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off, and I'm just going to press it now onto the normal setting so I can do a final lymphatic drainage. So now I'm working horizontally from the middle of the forehead towards the temples, and then working my way down the side of the ears